Have you ever imagined what happens when your water it gets filled up in the tank and then all of a sudden it cut off, it stop running? That is what we call a floating switch system. So today we are going to show you how a floating switch system works. We are going to connect it to the tank. We have a local tank here that supplies water from the estate. Then we have the domestic tank for supply of water into the house. So our idea is once the water is off, is filled up, the pump stop automatically. And when the water gets low, it picks up. So chill with us. That's what we're going to do today. This is the floating switch, and these are the components. This is the pattern that it can be. And to make our job look very neat, you have to put the wire inside the pipe and then tie it at the rail of the tank, just like I'm doing now. This job, it doesn't require too much tools. It's just a screwdriver, your plier or long nose, your tester, and a sellotape. We are up, as you can see. We're on top of this tank stand now, about to do the main part of the job. Okay, semi. Now, if you look at it, we are using 2 black, which by IE standard is not allowed. So that was why I had to mark it. So you see there's a sellotape here. I didn't just stop there. I also marked another sellotape here. Just in case of future maintenance, I made a hole on the cover so that I'll be able to immerse my floating switch without any challenge. At the level, you can see, I put the wire under and bring it out of here. Then look at the level. So once that's the level we want it to be, don't want it to be too high. So once the water gets to that level, it will cut it. And then when it reduces it, so you tie this one, this is the wire cable, you tie it around there, so it doesn't support it. So if you look at this floating switch, this is the floating switch cable. They will have 3 wires. They have blue, black, and brown. So the black is neutral, right? It serves as neutral. Then the red is for low level. If you want to connect water at low level, you use the brown rather. But if you want to connect water at high level, that like the one we are doing here, this is high level that we need, high level sensor. So you connect with the blue. You see what the difference? The black neutral, brown for low level, blue for high level. So and from our cable, you see this is the one we marked with sellotape, this is the neutral, and this is the mains. So this mains will be connected to the blue, and the neutral will be connected to the black. Once we do that, we are done up here. What you see here, you see the mains. This is the mains that are taped together. Now let me tell you how this works. The supply has gone up, as the rate has gone up there, and then it brings the returns from the neutral back. So it is that returns of the neutral, which is this one. You see, this is the returns of the floating switch neutral. That's the one that would power the motor. So this is the motor. We have 3 potentials, 3 terminals. This green, which is the earth, the brown, which is the life, and the neutral, which is the blue. So this neutral from the floating switch will power the machine, the life of this machine. And then this is the other neutral that came from the control. It will be connected to the neutral of the motor. Then our job is done. Look at this switch, whether 40 amp switch or 25 amp switch. You see live in, that's the live from the mains. Neutral in, neutral from the mains. Then you see live out, that is the live that takes power out to the floating switch. And neutral out takes power out to the neutral out to the floating switch. Then look at this, according to our labeling, this is the live out, yes, no sellotape. The one with sellotape is neutral out. This is live in, that's from the main source, and then the neutral in, that's neutral from the main source. So okay, like I always say, no knowledge is a waste. You now see, you've known how the floating switch works and the functions and everything. So if you like the video and if you want to encourage us to do more of such videos, we're going to do, like I said, for this 1 week, we're going to do different videos, CCTV cameras, solar inverter system. We're going to show you a lot. But the idea is, even if you're not going into installation and all of that, just no knowledge is a waste. Little knowledge here and there could actually give you and make you informed. Just in case you are in a place where they're having arguments, you have what you know what to say about a certain thing. Okay, so if you like this video, just follow us and stay tuned. We'll be giving you more. Comment your thoughts. Thank you.